What's up, everybody? Today I have a European unmarked double barrel pistol and a couple of Morgans. These guns may have been manufactured between 1860 and 1870 from what I can gather. Kind of unique. This one's obviously heavily worn, as you can see. I didn't have any coins that old. Oldest ones I have are this 1881. Okay, I'm gonna go over this gun a little bit, just kind of show you some of the features. It's got a nice wood stock here. Feels a little loose, but I mean, anything from 1800 is probably gonna be a little loose, right? Alright, well, that's the bottom. When you pop the thing up, you get the little spur triggers to pop down. Then you can pop them at once. A little half cock allows you to pop this thing up. Has a little breech barrel. Pop your caps. Go to full cock. Either hit 1 or hit 2, your choice. So from what I understand, 1860 to 1870 is likely its production era. Maybe you have a more exact. You guys can always get at me in the comments or through my personal website, pickandswap.com. I acquired this pistol from a storage unit auction buyer. One of my buddies has been buying storage lockers for a good length of his working career. And though I wasn't able to buy a personal locker myself, I was able to pick this out of his unit and gave him a little bit of money for it. This pistol came from a storage unit off Pacific Highway in San Diego, California, right under the 5 freeway. It was sitting in a locker, not in a case. It was just kind of out and about. And for those of you who know, we do have the Pacific Ocean only a few miles down the road from where this facility was at. So you can see it probably took on a little bit more wear sitting there. Just a neat little gun. I mean, it's got this little strap. It appears that it should be moving, but maybe not. I didn't find any markings as far as numbers, but it does have some light engraving marks. On better condition pistols, you're able to see these very sharp. There's some cross hatchings here as well on this side. I don't know if this camera's going to pick it up for you guys. Maybe not. Yeah, so I'm thinking of leaving it as is. I'm obviously not going to clean it, but I just feel bad. I want to put some oil on it. For what? I really don't know, but yeah. Anyways, this will eventually get listed on pickandswap.com. You guys can go check that out. It's a site that's up and coming, so let us know what you think. And, you know, if you guys have any other information to add, or maybe I missed something, or you guys have an exact manufacturer or exact date, please, I value information. Please find me through my website or the YouTube you're choosing. Stay tuned. More collectibles, more guns, jewelry, and other stuff coming soon. So